Welcome to the Wood Shop Stop. If you've watched the channel before, you know that every now and then I'll do a product unboxing. And then sometimes I'll do a review afterwards. Well, I've got a product here today that I'm very curious about, and we're going to find out about it together. The product that we have here today is a cordless Makita drill. Yep, made by Makita, ordered from AliExpress. So Alibaba, priced at $110. And what I'm supposed to get is a drill, a charger, and at least one battery. But we're going to open this thing up now and you can see exactly what I got as well as I can. Along with me. Okay, the first thing that right on top looks like the charger. And you know what? It says Makita on it. It's a DC18 RCT. So this is an 18 volt drill. And the plug's kind of different because it has a, must be for a European plug. And you just put the adapter on to use the American standard plug. But it's got all the, you can see. Okay guys, I wanted to give you a close-up look at this charger. This is the first Makita for me, so I'm not definitely sure about all the settings and markings on this sticker here. But you see it has the dock for the battery. Everything looks to be legit, and it seems to be well built. There's a nameplate on the back with the part number. And there's a lot of, looks like Japanese or Chinese writing on the back. Let's see what else we got in here. And look at that. One battery, 6 amp hour, 18 volt lithium battery. That's what I expected, 6 amp hour. Another battery. 6 amp hour, 18 volt lithium battery. So we got 2 batteries. Here's a closer look at the batteries. They look legit as well. 6 amp hours, 18 volt. Appears to be well built. Of course, it's all plastic, but it appears to be well built. There's your power indicator for the battery, lets you know how much charge you have left. And they came fully charged, ready to go. We'll see how they hold the charge and how long it takes to charge them. And a drill. Wow, what do you know? With a strap. Okay. Feels pretty decent. This is a brushless. And this is the brushless motor. It says BL. Okay, this is DDF487. Here's a close-up look at the drill itself. As you can see, this is the teal color basically. It's coming out mostly blue, but it's kind of green in reality. but I think they say it's the teal, and you have teal and green. The teal, blue teal color is more for the professional line, and the green is more for the economical line. But you can see you have your speeds. You have your knurled chuck. The knurling on the chuck is very aggressive, so be careful when you're loading your bits. This is a DDF487, made in Japan. Seems to be built very nice. I mean, this is rubber. This is solid plastic. You can hear that. That's solid plastic. And this is rubber. And we have our settings here. Sounds good. Sounds typical. And this is a 3/8, I believe. It's not a 1/2 inch. It's a 3/8. So let's pop one of these batteries in. See what we got. Battery is charged. Let's see. I've got all 4 lights lit up when I touch the battery indicator button. And it looks like the battery is fully charged. I could be wrong. That one is. Could need a charge. Looks like, and that one's fully charged. Wow. And it has a setting for 2 and 1. I imagine the 1 is for driving and 2 is for drilling. And it has your settings here for your screw setting or drill setting or tapping setting, it looks like. And it goes from, here's the arrow indicator right here, 1, 3, 5 on that. But I'm really surprised that it's fully charged and ready to go. The grip feels really nice. Let's see, we'll compare it to my, okay, quite a bit heavier. As you can see, this has an 18 volt. Actually, it's a 1.5 amp hour battery, and I'm always charging the battery, so this should last a lot longer on a charge. I like that. So this isn't brushless. This is also a hammer drill. This is a hammer and a drill driver. So this is a combination thing here. Charger works. Okay, you get a little musical tune. Did you hear that? Now we've got a red light, and now we've got a green light. Here's a closer look at the charger for this Makita cordless drill. Pretty much self-explanatory. You can see there's the docking station there. It has a spring-loaded apparatus there, mechanism. Seems to be well built, not too bad. This is what you get. This is a Makita cordless drill. There's no instructions or anything in the box. I'm pretty happy so far with this. Let's pop a drill in it and see what it can do. I've got a 1/2 inch drill here, and I believe this is a cobalt drill, but the shank has been ground to 3/8. Did that. We'll set it at the drill setting, which is in the center. Tighten that up. Let's try it. 1/2 inch drill. No problem for that. Try and give it a centering point. Good start. Right out of the box, this is pretty impressive. That it's doing a good job with a 1/2 inch drill bit. Let's try a paddle drill or a spade drill. That does pretty good. This drill is probably not the sharpest, but that did pretty good as well. A 1/2 inch. Like it. I like it. I'm gonna try this 3/8, which is a common size. Oh, very nice. Does a heck of a job. So tell me, what do you think? Leave in the comments and let me know if you've ordered from AliExpress or Alibaba or Temu or any of those other merchandisers like Amazon. See exactly what your thoughts are. I mean, come on. 2 batteries, the drill, and the charger for $110. There might have been some tax involved, but that seems like a pretty good bargain to me. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. I've got lots of videos on building projects, and I've got other videos on reviews and tips and safety tips and all sorts of things on the channel. So feel free to browse around on the channel and subscribe if you like what you see. Be sure to hit the like button as well. It helps the algorithms for this channel. And share the video as well, and hit the bell notification for future videos too. I don't know about you, but I think I got a good buy for $110. Till the next time, this is Raj from Woodshop Stop.